This past week, they announced that they're optimistic that we're possibly going to see mortgage rates drop. Correct, Mr. Rocky?
That's short-term rates. Yes.
Short-term rates, which,
Yes.
even though mortgage companies don't want to admit it, it's tied to mortgage.
Well, not, sometimes, not always,
Sometimes,
but
yeah, okay.
but most of the time it is. Yes, you are
Yes, okay.
correct.
That's just a little known secret. All right. So Nicholas wants to buy his first home this year, but he doesn't have the 20% down that he needs to put on a down payment. But someone told him he doesn't need to have 20% down to buy a house. And
Right.
he's wondering in this email, what's the least amount of money that he can put down on a home and is not based on his credit score? How much can he put down?
Well, is it not based on his credit score, you
Well,
say?
let's start with not, because I got a feeling his credit score is not so good. So,
Okay, if his credit score is not at least a 620,
yeah,
then he would have to put a minimum of 3.5% down to 580, and then below 580 he would have to put 10% down. If it's a 620 or above, he can put his 0% down. Now, understand when you put 0% down, the interest rate is higher than
got
if
it.
you put 3%, 3.5% down.
But the good news is 20% down is not needed unless you're doing some sort of investment purchase of a rental property, things like that, right?
That's correct.
Right.